Did you know miscommunication and disconnected softwares can accumulate unnecessary costs? Let's take a look at this everyday scenario. The maintenance team at this company runs out of motors. They send an email of a purchase order request to the procurement team. The procurement team responds 2 hours later, asking for more details. This back and forth process ends up lasting more than a week. And finally, a month later, the maintenance team gets their motors so that they can do what they need to do. All that time amounts to wasted hours and potentially longer downtime. UpKeep's integration with SAP can help you cut down this process from 1 month to 2 weeks. As the #1 leader in CMMS, UpKeep prides itself as being the most modern, integrated solution for your maintenance needs. Our integration with SAP allows you to integrate ERP and CMMS processes to streamline operations across all your departments. You can sync inventory so that any updates are synced between UpKeep and SAP. Purchase orders so that any purchase order requests created in UpKeep will also be automatically created in SAP. Assets so that any asset updates are synced between UpKeep and SAP. And work orders so that any work orders and their details are synced from UpKeep to SAP. Start saving, integrate, automate. Schedule a demo with us at onupkeep.com/demo.